Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to all of you. I hope all of you is doing very well today. Right. Chelsea takes on West Ham United in their Premier League fixture tomorrow, time 5:30 p.m. Chelsea, who hopes to continue their fine form after defeating Napoli in their Champions League competition, we hope to get the necessary 3 points in Stamford Bridge. West Ham will also hope to have the full 3 points in order to push themselves out of the relegation battle. We try to cause some havoc, but Chelsea will not give in. Chelsea, who dismantled Napoli to qualify for the round of 16 in the UEFA Champions League, will be full alert, knowing that a win could push them